Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture preparation points, part number 4, and the point number 201 is expectation value of symmetry is given by S square mean is equal to psi steric S square psi. And point number 202 is ensemblance concept was introduced by Gibbs in 1900. Point number 203 is De Morgan laws for electronic circuits are: number 1, x bar plus y bar plus z bar is equal to x y z bar. Number 2, ab plus c bar into a plus bc bar is equal to a bar plus b bar into c bar plus a bar into b bar plus c bar. Point number 3, xy bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. Point number 204, octal to binary conversion takes place with example 13 coded to 8 is equal to 101011 base 2. First we convert 13 into octal to from octal to decimal, that will be an 11, and when 11 is converted into base 2 given 10112. Point number 205 is Miller indices. Indices are defined to specify direction plane. The direction plane could be in lattices or crystal. The number of indices with point number 206 is Miller indices for 2 to 1 is 1 by 2 1 by 2 1, and 0 1 1 bar is equal to infinity 1 1 bar, and 0 1 1 bar is equal to infinity 1 1 bar. Infinity 2 3 is equal to infinity 1 by 2 1 by 3. 1 bar 0 1 is equal to 1 bar infinity 1, and 0 0 1 bar is equal to infinity 1 bar. Number 7, 0 1 bar 0 is equal to infinity 1 bar infinity. Point number 207 is coordination number for different crystals are as follows. For simple cubic structures, A is equal to B is equal to C and coordination number is equal to 1. For BCC, we can calculate 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 is equal to 2. For FCC, 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 6, we can calculate 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And point number 208, for tetragonal solid, for simple cubic structure, A is equal to B is not is equal to C, and coordination number is equal to 1. For BCC, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, coordination number is equal to 2. For point number 209, for orthorhombic solids, simple cubic, A is not is equal to B is not equal to C, coordination number is equal to 1. For BCC, 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 is equal to 2. FCC, 1 by 8 multiplied by 8 plus 1 by 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 4. Point number 210, for trigonal solids, A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, and all angles are less than 20. And the point number 211 is the cause of spherical to elliptical shape of heavy nucleus of uranium-235 92 is due to penetration of neutron having projectile motion. Point number 12, if surface tension force within compound nucleus is greater than Coulomb's repulsive force, nucleus will turn into original spherical shape by the emission of gamma rays. Point number 213, for the first time, Bohr and Wheeler explained compound nucleus in 1939. Point number 214, production of neutron from radioactive source is a low intensity source. Its reactants are radium and beryllium. Alpha particle is emitted of the 5 to 6 megaelectron-volt energy range. Point 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 to 27 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 neutron per sample in curie is produced. Its energy equation is given as En is equal to A minus 1 over A into Er minus Q minus Er square over 1862 into A minus 1 plus Er cos theta into 2 into A minus 1 Er minus Q over 93 over A cube. If the reactants are polonium and beryllium, then 3 multiplied by 10 raised power 6 neutron per sample in curie is produced. Half life of polonium is 1600 years. Point number 216, photoneutron source gamma rays of very high energy incident to the target of lighter nuclei like boron and produce neutron of 5 megaelectron volt.